When it comes to dental implants, they last longer than any other restoration process. Also, patients of any age can get them. As well, dental implants are the only known oral restoration process that retains natural bone, which stimulates further growth. The dental implant is made up of a crown, an abutment, and a base. The crown is the ceramic tooth shown that covers the implant. The connector fastens the crown to the base, and the base is a titanium screw that fuses with the jawbone. Dental implants are a three-step process. First, the dentist will place the implant rod. Then, he will proceed to connect what is called the abutment, which is to join the crown to the implant. Finally, the dentist will complete the implant process by placing the prosthetic tooth. Do you need a dental implant? Call your community dental today.